Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to address an issue that has been popping up so much on my channel, and this video is going to benefit beginners or anyone who wants more detail when it comes to my crochet videos. So that is the speed of the tutorial that you're working with. So I have been told that my videos are quite speedy when it comes to beginners and they can't follow along easily. So I have a solution for you guys, and I'm going to teach you how to slow down these videos so that you can catch up and be able to comfortably follow along at your desired speed. So let's first reduce the volume. I have my laptop here and here is my mouse. So we're going to be using one of my videos as a sample. So let's go to the Viva tank top. This is my most recent tutorial. So you're going to select that. We're going to slow down the speed of the video so that we can get our desired speed. So you're going to make a chain of 3, turn your work. Here is the original speed of the video. And by now you should be knowing what a shell is. So imagine if this video is very speedy for you and you feel like you need to slow it down a bit so that you can work along comfortably with me. So you're going to go to the settings option. You're going to tap on that. You're going to click on that and you're going to go onto playback speed right there, and you're going to click on that. So this gives you different options. We have normal, which is the original speed of the person who uploaded the video. So we have the normal. So let's have a look at 0.75 and then we play the video. Crochets, chain 2 and 2 more double crochets, and then work a shell into the V-stitch. So this is the V-stitch. So as you can see, the speed has gone down, and let's see what 0.5 gives us. So into the next chain 2 space of the V-stitch, you're going to place a shell, which is 2 double crochets. Oh my god, this is so weird. Chain 2 and 2 more double crochets into the same exact space. I sound like a robot here. But anyway, that's the whole idea of everything. If you want to slow it down, you just go to settings and click on playback speed and select the speed that's comfortable for you. If you feel like I'm delaying you, you can go to either 1.25. Let's have a look at what that creates. Like that. Now from here, you're going to go into the chain 2 space of the next shell, and you're going to place 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 more double crochets, which is a shell still. So you can see you can alter the speed of the video according to, maybe you have a spot where you didn't understand. You can slow it down so that you can get the details of that spot of the video, or you can speed it up in case you feel like I'm delaying you. So that's the whole point. You can even go up to let me say 2, and let's see what that has created. At this point we shall have a total of 1, 2 and 3 shells, and then you're going to go into the last stitch, which is on top of the chain 3, and you're going to place a double crochet there. Oh my god, I don't know if anyone would opt for this, but I hope this is helpful. That's when you're using when you are using a laptop, and I guess the phone is the same. Let me just take it back to normal and that's the end of row 14. Now we're going on to row 14. So this helps out so many people, especially the beginners that I tend to target, because I know exactly the struggle of trying to understand something and you just can't. So yes, the other thing that you can try out, the reason why I put subtitles is so that you see when you slow it down and you're getting this effect, you can just turn down the volume and still have your subtitles there. So you can just read and do exactly what I am saying without the volume, because when the volume is on, you're going to just be literally listening to a robot, and it feels kind of weird to even like follow along with such an audio. So let's go on to the next part. The next part is the subtitles. If you are using your laptop and let me say you speak French and you go to CC, just tap on CC and click on it. So this, when the red bar comes on, that means the subtitles are on and you'll be seeing them there, but they are originally in English. So you go to settings and go to subtitles. You can see how many languages I provided for you guys. There's Arabic, there's Chinese, Croatian, Dutch, Finnish, German, French, Greek, Irish, Italian, Norwegian, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish. All those languages are there. So let me say you speak French. Just look for your language and tap on it. And let me go back to normal speed. This is what you'll have. You can easily follow along in your language and be able to understand what I'm saying. So that is the beauty of everything. You can change the speed either to fast or slow, and you can also change the subtitles to your desired language. You can change it to German, you can change it to whatever language of your choice. And you can also turn them off if you don't want them. You can just turn them off and they won't appear down here. So the other thing that I wanted to point out is, let me say the subtitles are there, but you don't want them at the base of the screen. You can easily just drag the subtitle up, because personally I prefer to have the subtitles on the upper bar, so that it doesn't interfere with the hands that are working around this space. So you just drag that subtitle up, and let's see the next chain to space. When you play, your subtitles will stay up there. So that's another hack that you can try out. And I think that's it. I guess that's it. I've tried my best to point out the main issues that people have been getting on my channel. So if you're a beginner and this video has helped you out, don't forget to like it, and yeah, let's have some fun together creating these projects. Slow it down or make it speedy as much as you want. And yes, now I'm going to demonstrate the same process on phone. Now when it comes to the phone, ignore the ring light there. I'm going to use the same exact sample of video, and I'm going to use the Viva tank top. Chain 3, so double crochet. As you can see, we have the settings option. You just tap on settings, you'll get a menu down here, and you go to playback speed. The playback speed, you just tap on that, and then you go to 0.5 so that you can get a slower version of the video. So this marks the end of row 14. So I hope this is clear. And then when it comes to the subtitles, you just press on the CC and then go to settings. There, it will give you a menu at the base of your phone, and then you go to captions. Now for the captions, there are all these languages that are provided for this pattern. So let me say you speak German, you will choose German like that, and then you play your video, and you can see we are getting German subtitles. So that's how you do it. You just repeat the same exact process, both on phone and on the laptop. And I hope this video is super helpful for you guys, and I hope you can apply the same exact knowledge for different projects, different tutorials, different creators. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.